Hi guys, welcome back AllyCats, and if you're not an AllyCat, subscribe, become one. Join the kitty litter. It's not as gross as it sounds. And like this video, share it with your friends and family so that they can become AllyCats too. And let's get into this video. I don't know what that was. But as you can see by the title, this is another installment in my basic series. And it's going to be one of my favorites too, because this is one of my favorite things to do to spice up any look. And that is Faux Freckles. Woo! I'm in a weird mood today. Okay, so if you're a ginger, or even part ginger like I am, I'm a strawberry blonde. You'll know that when you were growing up, you were probably made fun of for being ginger or having freckles like I was. And now, freckles are everything. They're popular, everyone wants them. There's products specifically made to give you freckles, like how the turntables turn, how the tables turned, how the turntables. But I'm not mad at it. I'm happy about it. Now let me show you one of my absolute holy grail, ride or die favorite products to create faux freckles. It is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Longwear Brow Kit, and it's in the shade Chocolate. So yeah, I did say brow kit. I don't use this on my brows. Hated it on my brows. To be honest, I hated how this looked on my brows. The color was wrong to begin with, chocolate. I don't know why I chose chocolate. So it didn't work for that. But what it does work for? Frickin' freckles, okay? It works amazing for freckles. I like the warmer shade for freckles, but it can come out a little dark. So let me just get you into this product here. Let me explain it. So it does have a top that's made for brows. Like, we're ignoring this whole part here. Like, we don't need her. So what you're going to do is open it. And you'll see that it is a liquid with a brush tip. And there's a lot of product in here, okay? This has lasted me so long. It's insane. It's probably expired. Doesn't smell bad, though. It's a brush tip with liquid and is a Longwear. When they say Longwear, it's Longwear. Now, there are products made specifically for freckles, for faux freckles, I should say. There's one literally called Freck. Feels like I'm cussing as like an 11-year-old. Freck. Freck you. Sorry. But I have found that I don't really care to use the professional made products. I don't think I need it. I don't need it, especially with this. Like, this gives me the effect that I want, the long wear that I want, and a ton of product in here for a cheap amount. This is not much. It's drugstore. Let's get into the actual freckles. I'm talking too much. I'm going to open this product again. Now, there's a lot that comes on this brush. I do not want all that. So I'm going to scrape it off on the side and get almost all of it off the brush, actually. So now that pretty much all of it is off, I can start making my freckles. Now, my technique, it's a very special technique, okay? This is exciting stuff. Listen in. My technique is to create 2 dots, 2 to 3 dots, okay? I'm going to start on my nose, and I'm going to create 2 dots. See them? Maybe? And now I'm going to touch them. And now it's on my finger, and I'm going to quickly tap that around. Now you can see they spread. And it makes it look like less dark and harsh too. So again, I'm going to tap a couple dots, and then I'm going to boop, boop, boop. And now they're blended around. So we're going to repeat that. And now, as big as you want these to be, I mean, you can play around with it. You can make moles with this. Like, I have a mole here that I covered earlier. So there it is. My mole is back. I have a mole down here. Now he's back. I have a mole right here. I have a lot of moles, okay? They're all on this side of my face for some reason. But there they are. If you have acne, you have a spot. Okay, I have one here. You can see this discoloration here. Didn't cover well with my concealer, that's fine. So what I'm gonna do, well, now it's a mole, okay? I just have a lot of moles on my face, don't fight me. All right, so let me show you on my cheekbones. So if you find that you're getting too little product now, you can dip back in and go dot, dot, dot. You see that 3? Now tap it all around, fast with it. Now it's blended out. I don't know why I find this so entertaining, but it's entertaining to me. Now you can go hardcore with this. You can have a lot of freckles. You can go very minimal with it. You know, live your life. Live your freckled life. There are no rules. There are no rules. Besides, like, they shouldn't be big blobby dots all over your face, unless that is what you're going for, I guess. But typically that doesn't look the most natural. But these can actually look really natural. I'm going in with a light hand, too. Except for right then. But it's okay. Take that excess product that you accidentally put way too much of and just tap it out. I also find with this product, because it's a bristle tip, the bristles will almost separate as they touch your skin, especially with less product. And it creates a more oblong appearance to the circle. It's not a perfect circle. Honestly, I don't want the freckles to be perfect circles because it doesn't look as natural. A good tip, if you don't want this to look too fake, don't make it perfect. You don't want the grouping to be exact. Like, you don't want, like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You don't want it to look perfect like that. You want it to look very scattered, because freckles naturally will be on the highest points of the face because that's where the sun is hitting on your face. It's not going to be perfect in a straight line across your nose, all super cute. Like, that can look adorable, and I will do that if I want that look, but that's not natural freckles. And freckles will naturally go around your eyes too. Like, it will go in places that maybe you wouldn't want it to, but freckles will go on your eyelids. It goes up to your forehead. Now, I'm not really showing you on my forehead because I have bangs, and my bangs are always there, so for me, I don't really get much freckles there naturally, even, because I do get natural freckles, just not like this. Every summer they come out and they're very faint on my face. I wear a lot of SPF, but on my arms, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. See how freckled they are? And you can see even based on my arms that they're not perfect. Like, there are some big guys, like he's a big dude, but then there's scattering of tiny little dudes all around. And then there's some big guys mixed in. So that's kind of what you want your face to look like too. You want it to be scattered. You don't want it to be perfect. So again, for natural freckles, you're going to get them around your mouth as well. So I will even go around the mouth. I'll bring it down. And I'll have less, but I'll still have them around my face. So I'll put them around the mouth, maybe a couple on the chin. Not many, but this helps make it look more natural. And that's really it. I mean, this is a very simple tutorial, I know, but you don't really need more than that. Once you have your placement down, you just do 2 to 3 dots, you touch it, and you transfer it to other areas. You mix up the pattern. You have darker spots, you have lighter spots. But if you have the right product and a good technique with just your little finger here, you're gonna get natural looking freckles. And they look super cute. And like, especially with like barely any other makeup on, maybe just like mascara and a lip. Like, it looks so freaking cute and fresh. And it's just one of my absolute favorite techniques. It just looks so freaking cute. Freckin' cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. I hope it helped. And go on with your cute freckled selves and have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. please subscribe and become an AllyCat if you're not one. AllyCat. And like this video, share it with your friends and family so that they can become AllyCats too. Oh, I'm saying that faster and faster. I love you guys. Bye!